So out of nowhere, they cut off the inflows to the BTC spot ETF. It's your boy Crypto Billy, man. The current market is just crazy, but you can see through the BS here, guys. I still think that we may have to endure a little bit of pain before we get to that parabolic stage, but I think it's gonna happen. I think right now this is the time to really increase that work ethic. It reminds me around June 2022 when a lot of people were bearish. It was like the floor level, peak bearishness, right? You go on Twitter and all you see is toxicity, right? Like big toxic energy. Everybody's just like going at each other's heads. These spaces are toxic, and you kind of seeing it in the market, right? The selling may go away narrative, but again, but what if it's different this time? What if it's different this time? Bitcoin is holding above the bull market bands here. If we head over, you can see that we haven't really touched the bull market bands here. And I've stated this before. Every time that you bought crypto here, where I put these circles, it's always been a good time to DCA, right? It's been painful. I get it. But every time down here, 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 you seen the move here, here. You seen this move here, here. You seen this move here. And now we're coming back down. Well, you can say right here again. And let me actually put a circle here so you guys can actually see. Put a circle here. All right. There we go. Okay. And normally, well, technically, every time we came down here, it's been a good time to DCA. And we're down here again. Now, we don't know how long we're going to stay down here, but we are down here again. And even if you go to the pure altcoin chart, the same thing. The same thing has happened. We're looking to get that reversal on the stock RSI. But I believe we are tapping the bull market band here for altcoins. I know if we backtest this theory, we may have tapped it right here and right here before we actually say in the next leg up with a parabolic stage. So again, you can do two things, right? You can sell in May and come back in Q4. You'll probably lose a little bit of those gains, but you'll still get gains, right? You still get gains. You may not have gotten as much gains as you wanted to get if you just held all the way from here, but you'll still get gains. If you constantly find yourself checking your wallet and putting yourself out there, you're probably overexposed, right? And you probably should take a little bit off the table so you can sleep well at night. But here, head into those oversold levels and looking for reversal. Guys, we got, ETFs popping up across countries. Like Australia now is set to debut their spot ETF. Hong Kong is debuting their Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. So this is happening across the world in the midst of this attack that we are seeing on cryptocurrency. And in the midst where just a few weeks ago, we was having massive inflows for crypto, but it slowed down to where some days even BlackRock is getting zero inflows, right? I dropped a video on my Patreon about some of the narratives that we're looking at. So if you into that type of content, join the Patreon. Also come hang around the Discord because I like to I like to use the Discord as a sentiment checker. The Discord has quieted down a lot, right? Even the Patreon has quieted down a lot, and that right there just tells you that this is that time where if you're long term in the crypto or you believe in it, whatever I can I can make a case for both ends, right? Because I'm on both ends, so I know kind of like a little bit of what happens right? In the midst of cryptocurrency and how things are over time, and we can just go to Bitcoin as well. I also believe that the AI narrative has slowed down a lot, so I think at some point the AI narrative picks up. You can see here the Bitcoin. I mean, the interest has like tailed off to the downside with your retail, which coincides with the inflows that we're seeing here from BTC. I also want to note if we go to the BTC dominance, and actually let's move this out the way here. If we go to the BTC dominance here, BTC D. Actually, let's do it here. BTC. We go to the BTC dominance. Leave this page. I want to show you guys something. You can see that the BTC dominance itself is starting to fall as well. As you can see from the stock RSI, the momentum here is falling. So that's actually what you want, right? You want the BTC dominance to fall, and when the BTC dominance falls, usually you start to see a move to the upside from altcoins. The only outlier here, in my opinion, is this FOMC meeting that we have in 2 days. This is why I've chosen to wait until we get more information to actually open up some trades. I've been doing some like meme coin degen trading, some meme coin degen trading, but that's it. I just dropped one in the Discord. It went from like 11, like the dev rug, that it went all the way to 11K, and I think right now it's probably over what 100K. Yeah, it's over 100K. It's sitting at So yeah, this right here went from 11K to 124K. It's called Borg Book of Rugs. So yeah, I bought all the way at the like the floor of the floors. I don't know what this is, guys. I hanging around the Telegram. The Telegram is actually pretty dope. Like these guys are in phone calls 24/7. So that what kind of drew me to the project. But I've been doing a little meme coin trading. Don't copy trade me. It's up massively. I don't know. Well, technically you would say, well, Milia 126 market cap is still low. So don't copy trade me, but I'm just giving you an example that you can find opportunities here within the meme coin sector. Again, this is high risk. This is something I got in at 11K market cap and been hanging around since 11K. So just giving you guys a heads up of what's going on in the market. I'm not really doing no training besides some degen meme coin trading. I didn't put a lot into that, okay? So I want to make that clear as well. Also, there is a pause, right? And 97% chance that we get a pause, right? And then you got all the macro winds that's going on with the debt, the banks collapsing. So the economy is kind of like crushing, yet inflation is still going up. So Jay Powell has to make a decision whether he's going to continue to pause, cut, or rate raise these interest rates. But we don't know which way it will go. So when it comes to like my utility plays, I'm more so waiting till I get more information. But even in my Degen Patreon, I kind of like let you guys know of different narratives to look for and how to find good narratives when it comes to meme coins. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know your strategy. This is just an update, guys. A little bit pain in the market. Not too concerned here as Bitcoin in the others chart still stay above the bull market band. But if we do drop below that bull market band, then I think we should start um, taking a look in the mirror and considering like, if you can take this type of pain. Of course, always practice risk management. Never invest what you're afraid to lose. And the biggest thing about being a winner in crypto is having hustle, right? Being able to keep going, having consistent income, turning off your phone, go living your regular life, coming back. And crypto is going to be here, man. Don't let this stress you out, guys. All right, if you can't take it, just move on out the market and come back. The market is still going to be here. It's not going anywhere, and there's always going to be another opportunity. All right, so let me know what y'all think about the current sentiment of crypto. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? What's your outlook, and how do you plan on strategizing ahead of this Bitcoin house? What's the next catalyst, right? What is the next catalyst? Many people don't believe ETH ETF is going to get approved. So what catalyst is going to take us to the next level? Many would say it would be the Fed printing money around election time, as the GDP did slightly decrease, which shows that there are kinks in the economy. But again, we just don't have a catalyst right now, and everybody is kind of like throwing things at the wall, right? And that's why you're seeing this toxicity in crypto. The best thing you could do is just practice positivity, peace, and work on prosperity. Guys, keep your heads up. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.